Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to start recording a series of videos on my favorite platform ever, LeadsLeap.com. Alright, so before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, and after watching the video, feel free to leave any comments down below. Okay, so let's jump to my LeadsLeap account. So this is the dashboard of my account. Now, what is LeadsLeap? LeadsLeap, you cannot label it with only one name because on LeadsLeap you can earn money as well as advertise your products. But what I love about LeadsLeap is the fact that even as a free member, you can use all the necessary marketing tools to promote your business, and I mean absolutely everything, every tool needed, okay, for free. Now, LeadsLeap has been around since 2008. Kenneth Ko from Singapore is its owner and developer, and they have quite a very great support team. And actually, I think Kenneth is the one that responds to some emails in person. Okay, so LeadsLeap, like I said, and as you can see, has a lot of tools, a lot of features. Like I mentioned, I will be recording a series of videos on LeadsLeap, kind of like a beginner's tutorial on how to use LeadsLeap if you are an absolute beginner. And in today's video, I'm gonna cover only these two sections here, the general information and the traffic tab here with all its tools and its features. Okay, in the future videos, of course, I'm gonna cover all the other features, so make sure to hit that notification bell in order not to miss any future videos on LeadsLeap. Alright, now this is the dashboard of my account, which will pretty much look the same for everyone else, and LeadsLeap is 100% free to join. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. I say it will look almost alike because, as you can notice here, I am a pro member. When you sign up, obviously you will be a free member and you can upgrade to pro member. And by the way, once I upgraded to pro, I never ever thought I'd downgrade or cancel my membership because of its effectiveness. Okay, so I strongly suggest you consider upgrading on LeadsLeap if you take it seriously. All right, so this is the dashboard. Here you can find some general information and some ads that you can serve to earn credits, but I'm gonna cover that in the future videos. Here is what you can do with LeadsLeap. Basically, you can learn and you can earn money. Also advertise your business, your product, or whatever service you can sell online. All right, some other general information, some statistics of your account, etc. Okay, now let's go to the second feature, support. It's obvious, you can contact support here or you can email them directly. And this is the blog for LeadsLeap, where you can find the latest news, new features, and etc. Sorry about this. Okay, and let's go to my clicks and credits. Now I'm not gonna talk too much about this because we are gonna cover credits and PPC clicks on other features in other videos. Okay, but just to create an idea how it looks. So it will look like this. These blue bars are your personal clicks, and these yellow bars are PPC clicks, because LeadsLeap offers you an HTML code to implement on your website or landing page, and whenever a visitor clicks on it, you earn a PPC click, which later on converts to cash and to advertising credits. But that's another subject for another video. Okay, so it's like Google AdSense. Whenever a visitor clicks on those ads on your website, you get paid, basically. All right, and this is the graphic for clicks, and this is the graphic converting clicks to credits. And this purple bar is overriding credits, which are credits that you earn by your direct referrals. and as of now I have quite a few, more than 300 in total. Okay, so I earn this much credits every single day. All right, now let's go to the part how you can use LeadsLeap to advertise your affiliate link. So the first feature is credit ads. Now, as a free member, you have the possibility to advertise only to create only 3 ads. So you can advertise only 3 URLs. Because I'm a pro member, I can create 10 campaigns, 10 ads. But let me show you how you can create an ad on LeadsLeap. So let me just get this one. I'm gonna copy the referral link that I'm promoting. I'm gonna delete this so I can create it from the beginning. All right, now you will click on this button here, add a new ad. Okay, and this is how it works. Here you put your URL that you want to promote. In this case, I'm promoting Hungry for Hits. All right, and here you create a title. Make sure to create something that attracts attention, so one will click on it, wants to click on it. For example, hungry for real traffic ? All right, now here is the text that you put that will be shown right down the title here. Okay, but you have to make sure that the text must be at least 40 characters and a maximum of 60 characters. I'm not thinking the text too much. Okay, and here you can add an image. Just click on this button here, and you can click here if you don't have an image, or if you have an image, you can upload it. I do not have an image for this ad, so I just gonna click here and search for a related image, traffic or website traffic, I should have put it. Anyway, so I'm gonna choose the one that I already had. Okay, you just copy the image and then get back here, click here, and you have to use your keyboard Ctrl+V. So you have to paste it, and then if it displays correctly, you just click this tick, this red tick here. Okay, wait a second, and there you go. All right, now this is the category that your ad applies to. In this case, Hungry for Hits is a traffic exchange site, so I'm gonna use advertising, or you can use traffic exchange. I'm gonna use traffic exchange. Okay, link to your social review. Now we are gonna cover this feature in this video, but a moment later. Okay, and here you assign credits on how much credits you want to spend just for this ad, or if you want the system to apply credits to this ad automatically, you just click on this auto mode here. All right, and then click save and submit. Wait a second, click on OK. Your ad has been submitted. Click OK, and then you can click on it to test it, and it will look just like this. And yeah, is correct. All right, simple as that. Now, like I mentioned, as a free member, you can create only 3 credit ads. But if you upgrade on LeadsLeap and go pro, then you can create up to 10 ads. All right, the same goes for pro ads. Now, as the name states, it is only for pro members, because as a free member you cannot create any pro ads. Now, when you upgrade, you will create also 10 other pro ads, and it's almost the same with a little bit of differences, because here you can choose this feature, and if it is a new launch that you are promoting, which means that is a new affiliate site, it's a new product, or it's a pre-launch product. Okay, you choose this feature here, and your ad will be shown on the dashboard of every user just like this, and will get a lot more traffic. All right, now when you surf an ad just like this, a window like this will appear, and you have to wait until the surfing window starts. Okay, surfing started. Now, in order to earn credits, I suggest you stay on the surfing page as long as possible, because on LeadsLeap the surfing feature is quite different. The longer you stay on a page, sorry, the more credits you earn. Okay, so make sure to take your time to surf the page. Okay, check out what it says, etc. And don't forget also to rate it, because for every page that you rate, you earn 0.1 credit. I mean, while you're surfing, it costs you nothing to click on one of these stars to rate this ad. Okay? And if the ad doesn't work, you can also report it here, but you have to give a good reason why it doesn't work. Then LeadsLeap admin will verify this, and then you will earn 1 credit for every verified reported ad. Okay, then after you accumulate enough credits, you can use them for your credit ads. But if you are a pro member, you don't need any credits to drive traffic to your 10 URLs. Okay, so let's check out the other feature, which is bookmark ads. I mean, it doesn't need too much explanation, because while you are surfing, you can also bookmark the surfing page to refer it later on if you don't have time at the moment, by clicking on this button here. Alright, and you can bookmark it and you can refer to it later on this feature here. Alright, so let's go to social review. Now here is when you create a review on a site or a product that you want to promote on LeadsLeap. And what happens is that you click here, add a new review, or if you already have created a review just like I have. So there are some criteria. You have to create a content with that much characters, etc. And what this does is that every day LeadsLeap sends emails to all its users, just like this one I received today. And the subject, guess what? Social review. Okay, so make sure to make a review for a site that you are promoting or a product that you want to sell, because LeadsLeap will send your review to all the LeadsLeap users on a daily basis. Okay, and you can get a lot of direct referrals here. Believe me, I will show you on later videos how effective LeadsLeap has been for me. Alright, and my top recommendations is the same. Also, these recommendations comes to your daily email. One day you will receive social review, one day top recommendation, one day just an information email to learn something from Kenneth, the owner of LeadsLeap, etc. And here also you can read other users' reviews, okay, on other sites. You can choose. There are a lot of sites here. Alright, so I think I'm gonna leave this video with these features, guys, because like I said, if I cover all the features, the video will be very long. But when you sign up, and I hope you do, and I hope you take it seriously, do not get overwhelmed from all these tools and these features. First of all, if you have the will to learn it, I promise you will do too. I had zero idea how LeadsLeap worked or everything else worked online when I signed up on LeadsLeap. Believe me, okay? But if you have the will, sorry, you will learn and you will get there. Okay, besides LeadsLeap, if you noticed, in every tool, in every feature, in every page that you go, has this section here that is a helping page for that particular tool. For example, if we go to Pro Ads, here is that helping section. Okay, how to create a pro ads, etc. If you go to, I don't know, list manager, which we will cover in the further videos, there you go. So even if I don't cover anything on my videos, don't worry, because you can find all the necessary information here on LeadsLeap when you create your account. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, feel free to leave any comments down below. And again, I want to mention this fact that never ever did I found, until now, yet, better said, yet, a bad review on LeadsLeap online. Actually, I challenge everyone to find me a bad review on LeadsLeap. So that's why I strongly recommend to everyone who just started or who is an expert on online marketing but didn't know LeadsLeap until now. I strongly suggest you create an account on LeadsLeap and take it seriously. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in the next videos, guys. Until then, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, hit that notification bell so you won't miss my future videos on LeadsLeap and other sites as well. And thank you very much. See you in the next one. Cheers.